Hi guys, I just wanted to ask a question. Have you ever got a chance to create your own writing tool? No? Okay. Well, have you ever customized a writing tool to get your desired results? I'm sure, of course not. But now, TextBuilder.ai is providing you with an opportunity to customize the templates and get whatever results you want. So, you can create your own templates to assist you in writing. TextBuilder.ai is offering 5 different layouts. For template 1, you are only supposed to provide a title. For the second layout, you are required to provide a title and a brief description. You can also customize template by providing just the description using third template. And if you have a title and a keyword, you can create a custom template for yourself using fourth layout. Lastly, fifth layout allows you to create a text using a title, keyword, and a brief description. Now that you have all these templates, TextBuilder.ai will also allow you to share your templates with others, making them public for all TextBuilder users, hence making a strong writers community. Since I have given you an overview, let me show you an example. But before that, you have to sign in on TextBuilder.ai. For that, click on Member area and sign in. After signing in, click on Framework and you can see a custom template where you can see an option to build a new custom template, which is totally upon you. You can also see the drafts of the already made templates, which are not published yet. Clicking on Build a New Template, you can see 5 different layouts of the template and you can use any one of them. So for now, I'm going to use template 1. So upon clicking on the first template and choosing one of those 5 layouts, you will see something like this. Now on the screen, you are going to build your custom template. On the left side, you are going to add template info, which is required, which can be a template name or description. And on the right side, you will see how your template will look like. So first of all, you are supposed to name your template. Next, you are supposed to provide a template description. Next, you can select the template category. You have number of categories out there, but I'm going to use this template to write a blog. I can either choose to make this template public or private. Another important and amazing feature is to select your creativity. Though the creativity works best between the 70 or 85 range, I'm going to select an 80. So next is that you are supposed to provide a sample data for this very template. Now this sample data will let you understand exactly what data needs to be entered and what it should look like. So for that, what are the main features of the portable AC is a sample text for this very template. You'll click on save and you can also publish it later on. Upon saving it, on the right side of the screen, you can see how the template will look like. The template title is My Custom Template 1 and the template description will be explain the feature of the product. This will help you to know for what reason you're going to use this template. And next, you have to enter a title. Now for the sample text, there is what are the main features of the portable AC. You can write what are the main features of Canon camera or any other product. And then you'll click on generate text. Now to make this tool completely functional, you are supposed to provide at least one example of input and output data. This input and output data will serve as an example for this tool so that this customized template can be used effectively. The more input and output data you enter, the better and higher quality results you will get. So for the first example of input data, I'm supposed to write a title for this. But for example, now I'm supposed to enlist the features of pool cleaner to set an example for the output that could be generated using this template. Now I have enlisted some of the features of the pool cleaner and I'll add it. Now the input and output data that you have entered will serve an example for this customized tool to work best. You can also add another input and output data so that it can work more effectively. So this is how your customized template will look like. Here you can see your input and output one data that you have just provided. Now let's test this by using any title. Suppose I use what are the main features of digital watches and I click on generate text. Now the text generated will be similar to the output data that I just provided. So the text generated for the title, what are the main features of the digital watches, is here. You can see the main features of digital watches. This is the text that is generated by TextBuilder.ai against my customized template. So this is how you can customize your own templates. You can provide your own descriptions, keywords, and titles, and you can get the output accordingly, whatever you want. Before ending up and concluding this, please do subscribe to Tuts Vela channel. Sabrina Khalid signing off.